Hello! Before we start, kindly subscribe to my channel and like the video. Our lesson today: subtracting polynomials. Lesson 5 to 5. How to subtract polynomials. To subtract polynomials, add the opposite of the second polynomial. Then combine like terms together. You can subtract horizontally or vertically. Example. Subtract x squared plus 4x plus 7 minus negative 2x squared minus 3. Subtract polynomials horizontally. X squared plus 4x plus 7 minus negative 2x squared minus 3. Add the opposite. X squared plus 4x plus 7 plus 2x squared plus 3. Group like terms. X squared plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 7 plus 3. Combine like terms. 3x squared plus 4x plus 10. So the difference is 3x squared plus 4x plus 10. Subtract x squared plus 4xy minus 5y squared minus negative 2x squared minus 3xy plus 4y squared. Subtract polynomials vertically. X squared plus 4xy minus 5y squared minus negative 2x squared minus 3xy plus 4y squared. To subtract, add the opposite. X squared plus 4xy minus 5y squared, arrange in columns. Plus 2x squared plus 3xy minus 4y squared, add. 3x squared plus 7xy minus 9y squared. So the difference is 3x squared plus 7x, y minus 9y squared. Question 1. 7k plus 6 minus negative 2k plus 3. 7k plus 6 plus 2k minus 3. Answer, 9k plus 3. Question 2. Negative 3y squared plus 7 minus 2y squared plus 4. Negative 3y squared plus 7 minus 2y squared minus 4. Answer, negative 5y squared plus 3. Question 3. 17k squared minus 23 minus 9k squared minus 25. 17k squared minus 23 minus 9k squared plus 25. Answer, 8k squared plus 2. Question 4. X squared plus 6 minus 3x squared minus 2. X squared plus 6 minus 3x squared plus 2. Answer, negative 2x squared plus 8. Question 5. 7x squared minus 12 minus 4x squared minus 21. 7x squared minus 12 minus 4x squared plus 21. Answer, 3x squared plus 9. Question 6. X squared minus 8x minus 4x minus 5x squared. X squared minus 8x minus 4x plus 5x squared. Answer, 6x squared minus 12x. Question 7. 3x squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 6x squared. 3x squared plus 2x minus 4x plus 6x squared. Answer, 9x squared minus 2x. Question 8. 7x squared minus 24y squared minus negative 11x squared minus 12y squared. 7x squared minus 24y squared plus 11x squared plus 12y squared. Answer, 18x squared minus 12y squared. Question 9. Negative 5p squared plus 13q squared minus 9q squared minus 22p squared. Negative 5p squared plus 13q squared minus 9q squared plus 22p squared. Answer, 17p squared plus 4q squared. Question 10. For a squared plus 9ab minus negative 4ab plus 2a squared. For a squared plus 9ab plus 4ab minus 2a squared. Answer, 2a squared plus 13ab. Question 11. For a squared b squared plus 6a minus 9a squared b squared minus 3a. For a squared b squared plus 6a minus 9a squared b squared plus 3a. Answer, negative 5a squared b squared plus 9a. Question 12. For ab squared minus 3a squared minus 9ab squared plus 2a squared. For ab squared minus 3a squared minus 9ab squared minus 2a squared. Answer, negative 5ab squared minus 5a squared. Question 13. 2x squared plus 6x minus 14 minus 8x squared plus 11x plus 12. 2x squared plus 6x minus 14 minus 8x squared minus 11x minus 12. Answer, negative 6x squared minus 5x minus 26. Question 14. X squared plus 19x minus 4 minus 6x squared minus 8x plus 13. X squared plus 19x minus 4 minus 6x squared plus 8x minus 13. Answer, negative 5x squared plus 27x minus 17. Thank you.